In warm regions of the world, microbial infestation of fuel stores repeatedly leads to major damage to internal combustion engines in machines, generators, and aircraft. To blame is the problem of diesel plague. The interaction of microbiology, high outside temperatures, and condensation in the fuel leads to the rapid growth of microbes in the bottom area of the fuel tank, which can result in all the fuel in the tank being unusable within a very short time. But there is a remedy. The Krampitz KRP 5000 Fuel Cleaning Station. Diesel plague doesn't stand a chance here. The KRP 5000 is a highly effective cleaning system which disinfects the fuel by physical means, thus making the diesel fuel permanently stable and storable. And this is how the fuel cleaning station works. The KRP 5000 is operated as a bypass on a fuel storage tank in a circuit. The fuel is sucked from the storage tank into the cleaning station, cleaned and then pumped back into the tank. This ensures a good flow of fuel through the entire tank and prevents the formation of dead zones in the storage tank. The cleaning of the fuel in the KRP takes place in two treatment stages: filtering and disinfection. First, the fuel to be cleaned flows through the pre-filter, which works as a bag filter. Here, the medium flows through a filter bag placed in a support basket. In this way, dirt and solids are retained. The pre-cleaned filtrate is now transported by the pump to a water separator. The water separator contains a filter cartridge with hydrophobic properties. This does not allow water to pass through and separates all particles larger than 2 microns. The separated water collects at the bottom of the water separator, where it is recorded by a sensor. The sensor sends a signal to the magnetic valve. The magnetic valve opens and the water flows in the direction of the wastewater tank. The cleaned and water-free fuel now goes through the second treatment stage, disinfection. To do this, the fuel flows through special treatment tubes equipped with UV lamps. The UV light triggers a photochemical reaction which disturbs the genetic information needed for cell proliferation and metabolism. In this way, the microorganisms are deactivated and rendered harmless. At the end, the clean, disinfected and filtered fuel is returned to the tank via the system outlet. The KRP system has been installed in many projects at home and abroad for over 10 years. Due to customer requirements, fuel samples were taken at several locations every 6 months and analyzed by approved fuel laboratories. If the prescribed service intervals were observed, the result was consistently excellent. The cleaned fuel meets the highest quality standards in terms of sterility and water separation. Thanks to the fuel cleaning system from Krampitz, fuel can be stored permanently and diesel plague doesn't stand a chance. Progress through technology. Krampitz tank system. Cubically good.